Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch your Robinhood account to a cash account. Robinhood is a popular investment platform that lets you buy, sell stocks, ETFs, and crypto and options all from your phone or computer. By default, Robinhood account are margin accounts, but sometimes you might want a cash account for simpler investing, fewer risk, and to avoid margin trading. So first, you need to open to the Google Chrome or any of the browser. And after that, on the top, there's a search bar. Type down robinhood.com and enter it. And make sure to log into your Robinhood account as well. And once you log into your Robinhood account, we'll be getting into this interface of the Robinhood official, and from the account menu you can tap in the account in the top right. Over here go to the settings, and over here in the top right corner select to this account and go to the help. Over here you can also go to the help filter directly, or you can also go to the your support chats if you want to. As I'm going to select your support chats here, select this new open case. Over here what you can do is scroll all the way to the bottom and find this contact support. Over here what you can do is you can type down you'd like to downgrade my account from an instant margin account to a cash account in the Robinhood support, and which can process the change from once you can any unsettled trades are cleared. And once support accepts your request, they'll confirm the change by email or in-app message. Make sure to not have unsettled trades or open margin positions. Support may ask you to settle or close them before downgrading. And that's how you can switch to a cash account on Robinhood even when the option does not show up. And if this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.